everyone, Ray here, and on this video we are going to talk about the BPI Blue Mastercard. The credit card looks like this. Ayan. I've had this card for quite some time now and naka-earn na din ako ng madami-daming points. Ang kagandahan kasi nito is that you can earn reward points na pwede nyong ipapalit to vouchers ng mga shops, travel perks, and everything. Ang point conversion nito is for every 35 pesos, makaka-earn kayo ng 1 point. And then, pwede nyong ipapalit to gift vouchers, shopping credits, or airline miles. Other perks na meron dito is yung installment options of up to 36 months na 0% interest. So, it depends on the merchant and kung ano yung pinapurchase nyo. And ang travel perk naman nito is that if you book your flights with this card, meron kayong free travel insurance of up to 2 million pesos. Ang forex conversion rate naman nitong card in case you use it for abroad purchases is 1.85%. Yung mga rewards na pwede nyong kunin can be availed on this website. In order to claim, pwede nyo lang i-call yung customer support nila or text BPI redeem space yung last 10 digits of your customer number, space the item code, and then space the quantity. Tapos, isend nyo lang to 225689. Yung pag-claim ng rewards na try ko na before and okay naman siya, mabilis and convenient. Ang downside lang is that you cannot convert your points into cash payments for your credit balance. Ang annual fee nitong card na to is 1,550 per year and free on the first year. And easily, pwede nyo siyang ipa-waive, just call their customer support. So far, wala pa akong naging problem with BPI credit cards. There was this time lang sa Turkey for some reason na hindi ma-swipe yung credit card ko. I'm not sure why. But that just happened on like one merchant. Hindi ko pa naman na-reach yung credit limit ko. I'm not sure why that happened. But that's why whenever you travel, it's good to have just not one credit card, but multiple ones. I try to have not just yung Mastercard, but also a Visa card. Because at that time, hindi gumana yung BPI Mastercard ko and yung credit card ng friend ko, which was Security Bank, pero Mastercard din. But then, gumana yung BDO Visa card ko. But that was just on one merchant. The rest naman, nagamit ko pa din siya. Ang pagbayad ko naman ng credit card bill ko for this one is through the BPI online app. So far, wala naman ako naging problema dito. If you plan to get the same card, pwede nyong i-check yung website nila and apply for the credit card. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. I hope this video helped. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you. Bye!